Wow, look at that, man. हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सभी? स्वागत है आपका एक और बेहतरीन वीडियो में। गाइस, आज हम आए हैं हाई फॉल्स पर। It's like a place in Timmins. It's a beautiful place as you can see in the background. So how are you feeling?
Feeling great.
अब मतलब जहाँ पे पहले थे ना हम, वहाँ से हम थोड़ी सी आगे आ गए। And now it looks even more beautiful. So guys, firstly हम गए दूसरी तरफ कि मुझे जाना था, फिर अब हम आए हैं लेफ्ट साइड जो रो की कॉर्नर था। And the view is majestic, like freaking amazing. I'm gonna show you in 1 second.
I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story, and I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
How are you feeling?
Great.
I'm gonna sit here. So guys, I'm gonna go down now. We're going down. This is the protein shake. Drink this with this beautiful view.